How to know who viewed your featured collections on Facebook. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Facebook app on a mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is go to your profile. Simply tap on the profile picture of yours at the top right corner of your screen or top left, then navigate to your profile section. Now once on your profile, scroll down and simply tap on the any collection you prefer. You can see featured collection option available there. All you have to do is tap on it. Now, once you tap on it, you will get to see viewers option available at the bottom left, and here you will get to see the name of friends who viewed it. You will get to see the list of it, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.